Let's be real. Nobody wants to spend hours in the kitchen when dinner could be ready in minutes. That's why today we're breaking down the top 5 best electric pressure cookers you can buy this year. Whether you need a massive family-sized machine or a smart gadget that does the thinking for you, there's something here for every kitchen and every budget. I've tested the specs, compared the features, and found the most durable, top-rated, and affordable options out there. So if you want to cook faster, eat better, and actually enjoy making dinner, stick with me. Let's get into it.
First up is the Midea 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This thing is a workhorse with an 8-quart stainless steel inner pot, so you can easily feed a family of 8. It comes with 12 preset smart programs for everything from yogurt to beans to rice. What I love is the Real Safe system, which gives you 9 layers of protection against overheating or overpressure. You can sauté, slow cook, steam, and even make oatmeal, all in one pot. It also cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods, which is a game changer on busy weeknights. The inner pot and lid are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is practically zero. Now, it is large, so if you have a tiny kitchen, it will take up some counter space. But for big families or meal prep lovers, this is worth every penny. If you want one appliance that truly does it all, check the link for this Midea model.
Next, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini. This 3-quart cooker is perfect for small households, dorms, or anyone cooking for 1 or 2 people. Don't let the size fool you. It still pressure cooks, slow cooks, sautés, steams, makes rice and yogurt, and keeps food warm. It cooks up to 70% faster than slow cooking, and the stainless steel pot has a tri-ply bottom for professional-grade searing. With over 10 safety features and an easy seal lid lock, you can feel completely confident using it. The lid and inner pot go right in the dishwasher, so no fighting over who cleans up. Because it's compact, you won't make giant batches, but that's the point. It's affordable, durable, and ideal for smaller portions. If you're living alone or just need a sidekick for sides and soups, this top-rated mini Instant Pot is your best bet. Grab yours through the link below.
Number 3 is the COMFEE 12-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This 6-quart block model is seriously versatile with 14 preset functions, including cake making and egg cooking. It works as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. The 24-hour delay timer means you can set it in the morning and come home to a hot meal. It also has 10 safety features like overheat protection and an auto pressure release. Now, the inner pot is non-stick aluminum, which heats up fast and evenly, but it is not dishwasher safe, so you will need to hand wash it. That said, for the price, you get incredible value and a lot of cooking power. It comes with a spoon, ladle, measuring cup, and steam rock, so you're ready to go out of the box. If you want an affordable pressure cooker that still offers smart programs and a generous 6-quart capacity, this COMFEE model is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 4, the Instant Pot Rio 7-in-1 with 6-quart capacity. This is the upgraded classic, and it's easy to see why it's a bestseller. You get 7 cooking functions, including pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, rice, yogurt, and warmer. What makes the Rio special is the easy release steam switch, which is fast, safe, and simple to use. The stainless steel pot has an anti-spin bottom, so it stays put while you're searing meat or stirring sauces. With 13 one-touch smart programs, you can make anything from soup to cheesecake. It cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods, and the entire pot and lid are dishwasher safe. It also has over 10 safety mechanisms for total peace of mind. The only minor thing is that it doesn't have as many presets as some 12-in-1 models, but for most home cooks, 7 functions are more than enough. If you want a durable, family-sized pressure cooker that just works every single time, this top-rated Instant Pot Rio is the one to get.
Finally, we have the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker. This is the most advanced cooker on our list, and it's honestly like having a sous chef on your counter. It connects to a free app via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, giving you over 500 guided video recipes. The built-in scale measures ingredients for you, so you don't even need measuring cups. It also has automatic pressure release with 3 methods: quick, pulse, and natural, which makes it safer and more convenient. The 6-quart non-stick pot is dishwasher safe, and the smart sensors tell you exactly how much liquid to add. You also get wireless firmware updates, so your cooker actually gets smarter over time. The only real consideration is that it costs more than basic models, and you'll want to enjoy using the app to get the most out of it. But for tech lovers or anyone who feels unsure about pressure cooking, this takes all the guesswork away. If you want the smartest, most foolproof pressure cooker available, the Chef IQ is absolutely worth the investment.
All right, so after looking at all 5, which one is the overall best? For most people, I recommend the Instant Pot Rio 6-quart. It has the perfect family-sized capacity, the safety and reliability Instant Pot is famous for, and the easy release steam feature makes it a joy to use every single day. Every cooker on this list was carefully chosen for quality and value, so you really can't go wrong. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. And let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you'd pressure cook? Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.